Hey guys, what is up? It is GaryGuyDX here, and today we are going to be playing PUBG. Now, I know most of you guys like Fortnite, which I will be doing more of once I get better at it. I'm not that good right now. I'm better at PUBG, which is why I'm doing this video. But if you guys think I should totally go to Fortnite videos, leave it in the comments below, or if you think I should switch between. Anyway, it's your choice. Now let's get started. I really like this game because it's interactive. It's like Fortnite, but not as good. Fortnite's better, at least in my opinion. I mean, this is a close second, but I think Fortnite's a little better. I don't want to get like, okay guys, please don't like diss me in the comments because you do not like, like you guys think like, oh, GaryGuyDX, Fortnite's so much better than PUBG, so don't even say they're like the same. So I don't want none of that. I'm just saying that like, these are fun. Anyway, I'm gonna stop talking about that and we're gonna play. That's my favorite thing to do. At the last second, jump off, because then it looks like you fall into the plane. Today we're going to try to fly to the school section. Like, there, we're going to try to fly to the school section, but might not. Ooh, hey, someone changed the plane. Anyway, I gotta see. Okay. Not yet. We're gonna jump out soon. There we go. Let's go. I don't know if I'll make it. That's a far distance. It's gonna be close, guys. Okay, guys, we're nowhere near the destination. So we're just gonna land here and hope for the best. Also, if the quality is a little low, that is just because I am using my old device for this video. In future ones, I will use my newer one. But right now, I'm just doing Fortnite on my old tablet. So the quality might be a little low. It'll get better in future videos, though, trust me. Okay, let's get some gear. Is there anyone here? No. Okay. That's a little stinky. Okay, guys, we're all geared up. Let's go get some kills. Okay, guys, there's someone right here. Shh. Coward, he's hiding. Oh, yeah, guys, we got a kill. Let's go see what he got. For us today. No one else is around, right? Okay, yeah, nobody better be around. That's a popular way to die in this game. Is if you're not paying attention, when you're getting loot, you'll die instantly. Oh shit. Oh my god, that was so close. Okay, guys. Let's see if we could get another kill. Oh wait, never mind, he's right here. Reloading's the worst time ever. Okay, guys, got him. Oh, he had a lot of good stuff. Okay. Let's see if we can get 3 kills. You guys, look. It's a supply drop. If I get that, you're like one of the best players in the game, or in the round, so I gotta get to that. Is that in the middle of the ocean? Hey guys, look, another player. Thinking I want to notice him, eh? I hope I get that supply drop. It's like in the middle of the ocean. Honestly, I'm good at the game, but I'm not sure. Like, I'm not good at, like, statistics. Like, I'm not sure if they actually... Yeah, they don't sink. Okay, that's good. Where's that boat? I know there was a boat somewhere. Oh, it's a jet ski. Hey, that's even better. Okay, nope. It's not. I'm just... That was a bush. Okay, that's sad. Oh my god, I can't believe I thought a bush was a, you know, a jet ski. Anyway, I'll see you when I get there. Okay, guys, I made it to the supply drop. It may have taken ages, but I made it. Okay, well. Anyway, we got there. So, let's make it back to shore. Guys, I just saw a car drive by. I don't know if he stopped. I hope it wasn't a car because I'm in a really bad spot. Because I can't use a gun while I'm swimming. So that means he has a clear shot at me. And I can't do anything. Is that another supply drop? It is. Oh, they're doing like... Oh, man. They're doing so many supply drops. Did that guy stop or no? Okay. It's the moment of truth, guys. Did that guy stop with this car? No, he didn't. Okay, I'll see you when there's another guy. Okay. So you guys might see that my kill thing went up, but I didn't have it on video. It's because sometimes the guys jump out at surprise. Because like when I just got that kill, I was in the building right there, and I walk out and he was right there, and I could not start the video in time. I see a guy there though, I think. Wait. Yep, that's a guy. Okay. We're gonna see if we could get to him. This is a long run. See, with these games, you guys have to, like, agree with me on this, is there are so many hackers and, like, cheaters in this game. It's like, you know, it's crazy. Where'd this loser go? So this guy, he's right here. He's somewhere there. Shit, look. Okay, I killed someone else there. He was right there. That wasn't the guy I was looking for though. The other guy's in there. Run. I know his tactic. At least I think. I hate when people do this. Because they'll hide in there, so I open the door and I get shot. Hey guys, look, another person. Got him. I really think that guy's still in there. I'm not sure. Okay, guys, I'll be back. Turns out he wasn't there. I just shot him. He's dead. He had good stuff, too. Based on what he was wearing. I was actually lucky I got him. Okay, now I did kill someone over here. I never claimed their loot, so it should be still here. Oh, he was farther away than I thought. Through the scope, he looked so close, but I guess he was really far away. Anyway, let's see what kind of goodies he had on him. What stuff we could just take. Okay, nothing. That's sad. Okay, let's see if we can find more players. My luck is on point. Another crate just dropped right there. And the thing is, if you get to the crate first, you get all the loot, and then you could just wait there, and all the other players will just run and try to get the loot. And while they're getting the loot, that's when you shoot them. Like, you take them by surprise. The thing that would suck is if, like, somebody was right there, and I'm telling you what'll happen, and I just fall for it. Oh. There are shots fired, though. Shh, get down, get down, get down. Thing is, I don't see the person. That's what's scary. He's probably up here. Let's see. Whoa, where'd he go? That's freaky. Because wasn't he just here? You could hear the bullets. But he's gone. Okay, no he wasn't. How am I missing this guy? Oh, hey, he's right here. Oh, shoot, he killed me. Oh, well. Anyway, guys, that'll be it for the video. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like this content, make sure to subscribe. If you like this video, please leave a like, and I will be back for more tomorrow. Bye, guys.